Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So as you can see, the box is in an aqua color, and this pair of Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes is in the midnight navy and white colorway. It's also available in a black anthracite as well as a black-white colorway. And this pair is in a UK 9 or US 10 size. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid. And let's peel off or up the tissue paper or wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes in the midnight navy and white colorway. So giving you a close-up look right now as it sits in the box before my hands and fingers get in the way, and this is in the UK size 9 or US size 10. And now let's pop it out from the box. So as you can see, it does have a nice blue color, and it's the midnight blue and white colorway. And the Nike SB Check Solarsoft is also available in a suede finish, so this is the canvas version. And as I mentioned, it's also available in a black anthracite as well as a black-white colorway. So taking a look around at the skateboarding shoes, you can see it does have a very dark brown sole with the white contrast Nike swoosh there. So giving you a nice good close-up, and we'll go closer in just a moment. Right now just giving you a close enough but complete view of the pair of shoes, or at least one side of it, and we're handling the left foot side or left hand side pair right now, and giving you a close-up look now at the front or toe of the shoes, and you can see the canvas upper cover of the Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes. And you can see the Nike SB Check model and branding right there on the tongue label of the skateboarding shoes. And of course in the inside or sole of the shoes as well. So it does advertise of having a super soft insole right there. So now giving you that close-up look to the left side of the shoes, and you can see the stitching as well as the overall finish at this pair of canvas skateboarding shoes, and that detail there with the Nike SB Solarsoft branding. And this time around giving you a look on the outside of the left foot side pair. And a top-down view as well. So nice, good close-up look at the Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes in the midnight navy and white colorway. Now let's set the left foot down and reveal the other side. So that's the right foot side or right hand side pair. Let's pop it out from its box and just checking to make sure there's nothing else left behind. Okay, so that's the box. We can set the box down. Let's set it to the left hand side of the frame right there. And now we can take a good look at both of them. But first focusing on the right foot pair, and I'm going to set the left foot just up there, which we started seeing first. And now you have the pair of skateboarding shoes in the frame. So it does have a very high contrast finish with that bright white against that blue finish or midnight blue. And it's nice to see that light blue accent on the insole edge as well. Really interesting. Not that anyone would actually look inside the shoes for any kind of styling. So once again, that canvas upper cover and in terms of padding, you can see nice and thick padding all around. The padding appears to be thickest from the mid to upper parts of the skateboarding shoe. And just showing you the stitching detail as well, right there. So nice close-up detail, really up close to the build quality of this pair of Nike SB Check Solarsoft canvas skateboarding shoes. And once again, that Nike SB Check label on the tongue. And just giving you a look on the reverse side as well, right there. And there we have it, a nice close-up look at the right foot pair of the skateboarding shoes. And let's hold both of them up, just so you can see both in close-up detail. And this pair is in the UK 9 or US 10 size. And just giving you a look at the sole once again, with the pair in hand. And you can see the star-like pattern that starts off from the circle at the ball of the foot position, and then going all the way down with the Nike white swoosh at the heel area. So nice to see these little accents that make the pair of shoes stand out. In terms of weight, They are regular feeling in terms of the weight and even with the canvas construction. And of course they have their paper stuffings in them still. So just popping just one side off, right there. So regularly weighted pair of skateboarding shoes right there. So that's Nike SB Check Solarsoft Canvas skateboarding shoes. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!